Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go into the settings and here scroll down to the battery and performance section. Here we got the battery saver section and also just the battery, so switch it here to the battery, and here you will see the temperature of your battery. That's 30 degrees at the moment, and also you can have here information about the charging times of your device. Today I just haven't charged the device, and that's it. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.